Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated. The Bone Few Automatic Wire Stripper is an invaluable tool designed to make the task of stripping wires faster and easier. With a simple squeeze of the handle, this tool efficiently strips wires ranging from 14 to 24 American wire gauge, accommodating both solid and stranded wire types. The adjustable stripping length limiter allows you to set the desired length once, ensuring consistent results across multiple wires, ideal for large-scale projects. Its eagle nose design enables access to tight spaces, such as junction boxes or switchboards, where conventional strippers may not fit. Constructed from durable carbon steel and nylon, this wire stripper is both lightweight and comfortable to handle, featuring a non-slip grip for extended use. The Wolfcraft angle clamp set is a universal clamping solution suitable for boards ranging from 4 to 0.9 inches thick. This versatile tool is perfect for a variety of home projects, including building small cabinets or picture frames. Designed for ease of use, you can operate these clamps with one hand, leaving your other hand free to hold the workpiece or tool, an excellent feature for solo projects. The clamps automatically adjust to the thickness of the board thanks to an integrated spring system, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Made from durable fiberglass, these clamps are built to last, and the soft, non-slip pads on the clamping surfaces ensure a secure grip without leaving marks on your materials. Ideal for DIY furniture makers, these clamps allow you to fix parts at right angles while simultaneously drilling or driving screws. The magnetic screwdriver ring set includes 3 pieces designed to enhance your screwdriver's functionality. By slipping the ring onto the screwdriver bit, screws are securely held in place, allowing for smoother operation. These rings not only provide a strong grip, but also reduce wear on both the screws and the screwdriver. Compatible with standard 1x4 shank bits, these rings are made from durable steel, ensuring longevity and reliability, especially when working with magnetically sensitive screws. The Makita Auto-Feed Screwdriver is a battery-powered tool designed to streamline the process of driving screws, making it especially useful for projects that require repetitive fastening. Operating on an 18-volt battery, this screwdriver offers a motor speed of up to 4,000 RPM, accommodating screws ranging from 1 inch to 2 inches in length. A special guide prevents the tape from tangling or folding during use, ensuring smooth operation. The body is constructed from aluminum and features dust protection for enhanced durability. Despite its powerful performance, the tool remains compact and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for hard-to-reach places. The Lumberjack 2-in-1 commercial spike cutter is designed for woodworking enthusiasts who wish to create furniture from logs. Its operation resembles that of a stationary pencil sharpener. Drill a hole in one log and create a spike on the other to connect them. Constructed from powder-coated aluminum, this cutter is lightweight yet highly resistant to damage. The sharp blades are made of high-carbon steel, capable of producing approximately 10,000 spikes per sharpening. With dual cutting edges and a standard 60° shoulder angle, this tool is perfect for traditional rustic furniture making. The replaceable shank feature allows for easy maintenance without needing to replace the entire tool. It accommodates logs with diameters ranging from 2.5 inches to 4.5 inches. The JPT200W laser cleaner is capable of cleaning metal surfaces with micron precision. Operating in pulse mode, it delivers short but powerful laser shots that effectively remove rust, paint, and various coatings without damaging the underlying metal. This tool is particularly effective for intricate details and shapes. Its ergonomic backpack design allows for easy mobility around the job site, while the air cooling system eliminates the need for liquid cleaning agents. Simply turn it on and get to work. Pulse cleaning offers several advantages, including reduced risk of metal damage, incredible precision, targeted cleaning capabilities, and less wear on the lens of the unit. The compact circular saw is a small but powerful tool, ideal for anyone who enjoys making repairs or working with various materials. It features a 4.2-AM-pair motor with a disc that spins at 4,500 RPM. A standout feature is its plunge cutting capability, allowing you to adjust the cutting depth up to 1 inch for precise cuts in laminate or drywall. The set includes 3 different discs for cutting metal, tile, and wood, along with a laser pointer for ensuring perfectly straight cuts. Additionally, a dust collector with a 2-meter tube keeps your workspace clean, while the guide bar ensures precision for long cuts. The Makita Blower, powered by a 40-volt battery, offers the same power as a corded tool without the hassle of being tethered to an outlet. This versatile blower can be used on construction sites, in workshops, or even for cleaning your computer keyboard. It represents Makita's new generation of cordless tools, delivering enhanced power and runtime. If you're tired of dusting hard-to-reach places or need a powerful cleaning tool, this blower is an excellent choice, serving as a reliable helper in a variety of situations. The split-beam torque wrench is a precision tool designed for tightening bolts that require a specific amount of force. This unique wrench features a split-beam design, allowing you to set the desired torque with ease. No springs or complicated mechanisms are involved. The articulated head can easily reach tight spaces and work at different angles, making it convenient for torquing nuts in restricted areas. The drive size is 0.5 inch, suitable for a variety of applications. The Karcher electric ice scraper is a compact, handheld device designed for efficient ice removal from vehicle windows. This battery-operated scraper eliminates the hassle of cords and wires, providing you with the freedom to move around your vehicle effortlessly. The rotating disc has a diameter of 11 cm and is equipped with 6 plastic blades that spin at an impressive 500 RPM, ensuring quick and effective ice removal. The powerful 2500 mAh battery allows for multiple cleaning sessions on a single charge, making it a reliable tool during winter months. Using the squeegee is simple. Just turn it on, apply it to the glass with a bit of pressure, and glide it across the surface to remove ice and frost. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold and use, significantly enhancing user experience compared to traditional manual scrapers. Thank you for watching. We strive to bring you quality content every day. Our dedicated team, including video editors, screenwriters, designers, and content managers, works hard to create the best experience for you. See you in the next video.